Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error screen. If Outlook is opening with an error screen, freezing, or not launching properly, don't worry. In many cases, the issue can be resolved with a quick safe mode launch, and if that doesn't work, you can use the built-in repair option in Windows. We'll walk through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, make sure you are on your desktop so you can access Windows normally. Once you're there, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box, which is a quick way to launch programs and troubleshooting commands. In the Run box, type Outlook exe/safe. If you prefer, you can also copy the command exactly as shown on screen. Safe mode starts Outlook without certain add-ins or custom settings, which can help if the error screen is being caused by an extension or startup issue. After typing the command, press Enter. Give Outlook a moment to open. If it launches successfully in safe mode, that tells you the program itself is likely still working, and the problem may be related to settings or add-ins. If it still does not work, move on to the next part of the process. Open your Windows settings. From there, go to Installed Apps. This section shows the applications currently installed on your device and gives you access to maintenance options for supported programs. Once you are in Installed Apps, use the search bar to look for Outlook. When it appears in the list, click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu gives you more options for managing the app. Now click on Modify or the Advanced menu if that is what appears on your version of Windows. The wording can vary slightly depending on your setup, but you are looking for the option that leads to repair settings for Outlook. When that page opens, scroll down until you find the repair option, then click it. This repair process can fix damaged files or settings without requiring you to manually reinstall the app. It may take a few moments to complete, so let it finish fully before closing the window. After the repair is done, try opening Outlook again and see if the error screen is gone. If needed, repeat the steps carefully to make sure nothing was missed. That's it. You've now gone through the main steps to fix an Outlook error screen using safe mode and the built-in repair option in Windows.